You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this beautiful unit on my head. This is another one of the new Bobbi Boss 13x7 units. This is called the Eliza, and I'm wearing it in the color 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the amazing construction of this unit and how I styled it, just stay tuned for this video. So I'm really liking this unit, you guys. This is, like I said, a 13x7 unit, so you have so much space for parting. You have so many styling options, so much versatility. This pattern, I feel like it's really pretty. It's like these soft, loose sort of curls. feel like it looks very natural. This looks like human hair. You can't tell me not, right? Look at all of this parting space, how deep that goes back. The baby hairs were a little bit of work, but this one was probably less work than a lot of the other ones that I've had to deal with. The baby hairs weren't as thick as on this one. They were kind of more sparse. It does come pre-plucked. This has your 2 combs that are kind of in the middle of the head, 1 comb in the back, as well as an adjustable band. And what I like about the adjustable band is it gives you more room to sort of adjust it to your head. It looks kind of like a bra strap, so you're able to adjust it and tighten it up if you want to. I did adjust the band, as well as I have the adjustable straps on almost the tightest setting. So I do feel like if you have a smaller head, you will be good with this unit, but if you do have a larger head, this is going to be for you. The density is ridiculously full, but it's not overwhelming. The texture is like a soft Yaki. With this unit, I did notice there was definitely some tangling, some shedding, but it wasn't too excessive or crazy. Also, this unit was ridiculously long. Like, on the box, on the model, it does show how long it is. So initially this was going like way below my waist, but for me to be able to style and everything, I just decided to cut it and tone it down some because I feel like it was way too much hair to work with, in my opinion. This is everything to the front. This is to the side. And this is everything to the back. I would pick it up again. I just like the natural vibe of it, like the free sort of hippie vibes that it's giving me. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I feel like they're honestly doing a great job. Bobbi Ross is stepping out in my opinion. If you're a darker skinned person, they're kind of blowing the sensational what lace collection out of the water, just because they're offering so many different styles, so many different textures. The 13x7 instead of a 13x6, the darker lace that's easier to blend in with darker people's skin tone. So I feel like they're kind of just blowing it out of the water. The price point may be a little bit higher on these, but I feel like it's worth it for the extra parting space and for just the pre-plucked natural look of it and the darker lace. I feel like for the sensational what lace collection, I definitely had to put more work into it, in my opinion. So I definitely am a fan of this collection, and I'm going to keep coming to you guys and bringing you updates on updates and reviews on these units. So thank you so much for tuning in. As always, just hit that subscribe button, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.